Looking for serious power and longer range? These are our pouch cells battery. They ray the reliable core, powering your electric scooters, your 2- and 3-wheelers, heavy lift agricultural drones, and robust energy storage systems. We offer various sizes and specifications to fit your design. Choose from high-energy NMC, safer semi-solid, to next-generation solid-state technologies, getting you the perfect balance of energy, safety, and cycle life. Talk is cheap. Let's test. Up next, a quick check of open circuit voltage and internal resistance to key numbers that tell you everything about a battery's instant punch and sustained performance. Need a custom, high-capacity battery solution? We provide expert development support. Get in touch for a quote.